Welcome to another Ranger Auto video. Today we are doing a video I've been trying to get done for a long time. I just never had a vehicle to do it with. As you can see, we're in Project Betty Buick, which is my late grandmother's 91 Buick LeSabre. And well, I came outside the other day to put the windows up and I noticed that the rearview mirror fell on the floor. So we're doing a mirror repair video today. This is the button. And so first step that I did was I went outside. I was fortunate enough I still had the imprint on the windshield. Most times you won't have that, but I did in this case, so I was very fortunate. So I went outside and I took some blue tape and I marked the outside of the windshield. So what you're going to do is you're going to clean this button up. You're going to clean the windshield up, and then you're going to put this button right back like that, right in the middle of that, just like that. And then you're going to use a piece of tape while you got it stuck on the windshield. You're going to put a piece of tape on the other side and you're going to leave it there. Now the kit you're going to use is this one right here. I've always used this one. Comes with this towelette activator right here, and it also comes with the adhesive. Be careful with this stuff. Don't get it on your fingers because this is like super glue. You'll have to probably go to the hospital and they'll have to cut your fingers loose. So when you mess with this stuff, do it very carefully. First thing you want to do after you get all that done, make sure the orientation's correct. On our mirror we have a little button on the back side here. That's actually the screw that holds it in place. We have a corresponding one right here. So what you want to do is put it up just like that. You're going to put it up just like that, so that when you put the mirror on, it's going to slide in perfectly. And if you want to take a few attempts to try to slide that back and forth, you can. However, you can also do it this way. Flip your mirror over, make sure your button's lined up. See how it's got that round end on the end of it there? You want to make sure this will slide up in there. So when you put it on, it's going to go like, I believe it's going to go that way. But the first thing you need to do before you put all this together is you're going to clean your windshield first. Then you'll glue on the back side of the button. You'll stick the button up on here. And that's about all there is to it. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like.